Welcome back to the channel. Outdoor fire pit have become one of the most popular backyard functional. Become then create a cozy gardening place of family and friends. Whether you want a modern entertainment area or a cozy rustic outdoor retreat, a fire can complete transforming your backyard with the right design, setting, and landscape. Your outdoor fabric can become the heart of your outdoor living space. Belong are some inspired backyard fabric idea that convenient style, comfort, and functional. Creates stone fabric. A classic stone fabric is one of the most timeless and durability backyard design. Natural stone, beautiful with outdoor entertainment and provide a rustic charm that need got out of style. Then fireworks are trapping built in granite stone, create a warm and unwide focal point. Surrounding the firework with charm or wood bright to create a comfortable sitting area. Add power air a smart patio area that big, soft, and keep the area stone fabric also remained hard while make theme perfect for a look. The enhance the atmosphere. Consider add light lecturing need landscape with optimized glass. Flower bed can soft the space and make it feel like natural stone your patio. A smoking fireplace long create a luxury outdoor gardening space This design glowing sitting area and belong group level which need create a choosy and bright atmosphere. It also help wind and keep warm area the setting area. Conclusion: stone brick wall can be used to frame the sitting space, built in branch, provide both comfort and space. Main home owner also incorporating stoning step that blend us add setting. Add soft light outdoor pillow and smart table can be turned this area into full outdoor living room.